Welcome to our channel. He is to be conquered. Written by Adapa Ramakrishna. This is a long poem. Originally written in Telugu. Title Vadini Gyanchali. Translated from Telugu to English by Dr. P. Ramesh Narayan. Adapa Ramakrishna received an award for his writing. To his credits, He is to be conquered. Long poem by Adapa Ramakrishna. English version by Dr. P. Ramesh Narayan. His Excellency, lead this movement, take it further, as it has major, very major and prominent role in the fight against corruption and black money. To me, each and every individual involved in this mission constitutes a new anti-corruption cadre in the country. In a way, you are a soldier in the cause of cleanliness and purity. No one can stop him, any obstruction, in the field of Gunda, Mafia, Empire. He knows the secret of excise on one side, aware of revenue backdoor on the other side, relaxed mood of forest thieves. He knows, knowing aimless movements of vehicular traffic, knowing that how to swallow defense wing. Everything moves under the shadow of his eyes, slowly proceeds to safe zone. None can prevent him, none can will question his defiant courage, unfailing him towards wrong path, the direction in which the illegal collection flow, the seal of his palm itself, and irrevocable seal of approval, middle class emotion, swinging like a pendulum, inexplicable frustration. His interest is only on one's weakness, capable of bending one's neck. He is a well experienced master of gambler. He wins the show by hook or crook. The low status of conducting exam, expertise with useless syllabus, question papers rolling on the streets. Everyone is enthusiastic for bargains. Finally, securing 100%. Students like winning the chess game. Drama stacked behind the curtain. Who knows how many unfortunate suffocating in the borewell dug by him won't look back for the sketch drawn out. Any scam that is done is unscratched. Workout drawn with real estate. He doesn't lift the board down head. Do not care when the issue backfires. Still he goes on shaking the heads. No victim will never bow out, though thousands of voices scream aloud. Even the blood vessels split out. Does not care his attitude a little. Aimless agitations are there. Internal squabbles will be there. Creates separatism for a share. When selfishness in his only motion, estimate that no one can surpass it. Measuring scale obliges to the corruption in the restless exploitation sleep is unknown to him. To listen further our channel, please subscribe. He is to be conquered. Please click on He is to be conquered part 6 for further portion of this long poem.